There's times during this video, I truly don't know what's happening. This didn't even work. I made duck confit literally thousands of times, but I've lost touch. I fucking went to another place. I went into the void, man. And this is just a snack. And this is how you make duck confit and scallion crepes. Strap in. Fucking load up your guns. We're going duck hunting. Get in the blind. Wait for those. Mallard down. We just went duck hunting, guys. You know, the duck confit we're gonna learn how to do is called COWBOY confit. This is rendered duck fat. 4 cups of duck fat, 2 duck legs. I'm gonna throw in 1 star anise, some coriander seed, like 1 tablespoon of coriander seed. Why am I calling this COWBOY confit? Because if you're a shit cook in a kitchen, you're called a cowboy. You're off, you're tooting, shooting, wow! You know, you're a fucking cowboy. 1 green chili, throw that in there. Just take literally a knob of ginger, cut it in half. So if you get called a cowboy in your kitchen, that means someone's making fun of you. Fucking cowboy. Every chef probably is gonna make fun of me for doing this. But I'm seasoning my fat in fucking 2.5 hours, maybe 3 hours, instead of taking 24 hours. Like 2 cloves, 3 cloves of garlic. We're gonna give those a little smash. Boom, in, skins on. Why not? We're cowboys. We're cowboys today. Big dog's gotta get his citrus in, you know? Gotta put in like a quarter. Do I have clove? Whatever. See? This is cooking. We can do whatever we want. 2 tablespoons salt, and get my old trusty coffee sugar cup thing. And we're gonna add 2, whatever that is. I'm gonna add some cilantro. Little herbage. We're gonna bring this up to a very gentle simmer. We're gonna cook that for about 2 hours. And we're gonna have a very flavorful duck confit. And this is not traditional. This is COWBOY confit. Yeah! Scallion crepes, okay, guys? Add 1 cup of milk, 2 whole eggs. 2 eggs, 1 cup of milk. We're gonna add a pinch of salt right now. Maybe 2. I like salt. Break up the eggs, 1/2 cup of flour. And just put in about half of that, stir that around. It's gonna look pretty clumpy, and just add the rest of it. Get all those clumps out. Oh my goodness. That's my crepe batter. It's a fucking wrap. So we're gonna have leeks as some garnish. So a little julienne. It's great, eh? Eh? I'm so Canadian. So leeks are really, really dirty. They grow in the ground. So, oh boy. So we're just gonna let them sit there, let the dirt fall to the bottom. What are we gonna do now? So we got about 2 hours. Making a new show just a dash. Everyone, come check it out. I'm cooking, you're cooking, we're all cooking together. I love you. This show's about me, about you. It's about food. It's who's food. I'm food. Okay, bye. So sick. Just all me from my brain. I'm the greatest food writer of all time. Also, this is my friend Pat. He shot my cookbook. Who sings this song? Ariana Grande? Maybe Ariana Grande. Ariana Grande, do not sue me, okay? I love Ariana Grande. Do I look skinny here? Do I look skinny here? Do I look skinny here? Oh, look at these ducks. Perfect. Oh, they taste so good. So these only took about 2 hours. Low simmer. Look at these duck legs. Absolutely perfect. With this duck fat, you can just strain it, and then you just have a flavored fat. And you could use that for cooking. You could use this just for confit. You could probably use this 3-4 times. and then get rid of it, okay?
Use it as body lotion?
You could use it as no, you can't use it as body lotion. Our duck confit is cooked. Look at that little morsel, that little duck confit. So we took just this little thread out and you lick it to see how good it is. Then you take a bite. We're gonna make a little bit of a spice blend, and then we're gonna put the spice blend on the duck. It's gonna add some texture to the skin, get it crispy. We're gonna use that when we eat the scallion pancake. We're just building textural flavors. Oh! Describing food is the stupidest thing in the world, okay? Literally the stupidest thing in the world. So, throw some pink peppercorns in there, some coriander seeds, some fennel seeds. Oh boy, that's a lot of fennel seeds. And then we're just gonna take our mortar and pestle and grind this up. And the thing about it is we don't have to add any salt or anything because the duck legs are already seasoned completely through because we did the COWBOY confit. All that salt, all that sugar's in there. I'm gonna add just a pinch of cinnamon. That is nice. And this is what this looks like. Bird seed, this looks like bird seed. So we're gonna take our 2 duck legs. Sound guy coughing on set like it's his first fucking day. I was performing. You know, what was that guy that like lost it? Batman? And he just lost it on like, fucking never fuck! Anyway.
We've been working all day, setting up, we got gas, we're gassing.
Just sound guy? Couldn't hold it in. Anyway. Okay, back, see, that's what happens. I'm a fucking thespian. Okay, I'm a fucking thespian. Now what we're gonna do is dust our duck legs. Ooh. So now, I got the oven set at 350 degrees. This is how you look at ducks in the oven. I'm sweating. Big dog's sweating from that.
How long do they
I don't fucking know. Watch the video. This show's done. We don't even know what we're doing. I'm like, I'm the director, I guess. So I'm the director, producer, creator, script writer. So as you get older, you really fucking get weird fucking shit in your ears and you gotta fucking really tuck in. We've literally been making jokes for like a half an hour. And I thought we've been shooting. Do we need to go back to me talking about how I was bummed when I bought this farm and there was no animals to fuck? Excuse me? I don't fuck animals. Okay. We're gonna make some fucking beautiful scallion crepes here. Is we're gonna cut this into 3. Make 2 rows. Why not? Ugh, I didn't even cut these good. Oh my goodness. Make sure to cut these good. We're gonna get a little sear on these first, okay? Today on fucking animals, we're gonna learn how to eat animals' asses. This is too much. My manager hasn't been in that building for so long, and I'm just saying whatever the fuck. We're gonna add our crepe batter. When I'm lying on the floor, Keep looking out my window to see if there's any animals out there to fuck. We can't make that a joke, right? Like, there's no way we can work that in. I'm making duck. Is there?
It's your career.
I'm looking at like camera B for like I've lost it. He's like, no, keep going. Keep digging deeper, Matty. Dig deep. I think I put too much canola oil in this. It's okay though. When I'm lying on the floor. This didn't even work. So you just cook an omelet. Done. Fuck it. Fuck! Rang's Facetiming me. Good morning.
Good morning to you.
I'm cooking duck confit.
Oh my God. Can't go wrong with that. You're doing good, man. You're doing great. I'm so happy for you, baby. You're doing fantastic.
What?
I said, you're doing fantastic.
What'd you say?
You're doing fantastic. You're doing fantastic. God damn it. I speak English, man. Can you hear me?
Rang.
I say, you're doing fantastic. You're doing great. I'm happy for you. God damn it.
Oh.
You're amazing.
I'm the best. I'm number one.
No, you're not the best. You're the best of all best.
The student has become the master.
You have so fucking more knowledge now. I smell you.
You smell me? I smell you. What's that certificate on the back of your wall there? Are you a dentist?
Yeah, no, they call it Red Seal, by the way.
Are you a Red Seal chef?
You know why I get a Red Seal?
Why? So you can work at a hotel and be a part of a union?
The reason for me to get Red Seal because my English is fuck up. That's it.
I don't think your English is fuck up.
Remember, my English is all fuck up.
Yeah.
I'm doing a soup in Mississauga right now, so when you have time, you pop by.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No, I'm not gonna do that. Sing me a song.
Are you lonesome tonight? Do you miss me tonight? I feel sorry that we've been apart.
It's enough. Michelle! Let's finish this. This is crazy. We've been doing nothing for over an hour.
Yeah, I know. It's not okay.
Scooch, 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 scooch. I hate doing this.
No.
I don't hate doing this. I love doing this. If you're gonna be cooking any of these recipes at home, make sure you have a food stylist. You grab your dog, you grab your mom, you grab your sister, your brother, you grab your best friend, you grab your fucking worst enemy. You bring them into the house because you're gonna need help. You need a food stylist. I do. I couldn't even make this happen. Okay, so now we're making our crepes. Nothing works on this piece of shit. So a little canola oil, not too much. We're just gonna put a bunch of scallions into the pan. Can you hear them? Can you hear them sizzling? Just give them a stir, your scallions. Form and come together. Turn and release. Turn and release.
You trying to kill me in my career? You trying to take food away from my children? Why are you trying to kill me in my career?
Form and come together. Okay, I'm gonna stand up. This is ridiculous. You can take your little rubber spatula and just go around the edges. There we go. Let's check on the duck. Look at those. The duck's done. Look at these. Look at those. Look at these. Look at those. Look at these. Perfect little pancake. Little crepe. It's a crepe. It's not a pancake. It's a crepe. Flavorful. We've done the cowboy confit. Oh. The salt, the sugar, the star anise, and now we've graduated and built another textural, crunchy, fresh spice onto the crispy duck skin. And we're gonna just shred that. Ripping off that meat. Ripping off that meat. That's hot. Wow! And then you just kind of mix that up. Ooh. Wow, wow, wow. Wow. Cut the crepe in half. Add some of the delicious duck. Just a little bit of leek. Crunchy, crunchy. We got some really good chili oil here. It's really spicy, so just a little bit. Got a little hoisin. A little cilantro on top. Squeeze of a lime. Dude. And then we roll this up. Watch this. Do-do-do. Do-do-do. What? You roll these up and you put these out on a table for a bunch of buddies? Let me tell you. Everything I make is like incredible. Oh my God. The duck is so good. The chili oil, the raw leek, the green onions scorching, the scallions, the scorched scallions, the pancake, the crepe, this duck confit, this cowboy duck. Grab your lasso! Grab your lasso and try to catch this duck, because you'll never be able to. You will never come close. You throw that lasso up into the sky, this duck confit is flying high! We had a lot of fun this episode, didn't we? Did we learn a lot about duck confit, scallion crepes? No, I don't think so. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's full of YouTubes and me. Be a sub. Let me tie you up in my mind. Maybe tie me up. Couple nipple clamps.
Tap the like.
Sub me up. Before you go.